So guys, today our topic is DNS. We have two computers, one is server, another is client. Server we have server 2012 R2, it means release 2. Client we have Windows 7. Now question is how we can configure DNS. Configuring DNS. We have only one server. You can consider like server 1. IP will be 10.0.0.1. Subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. No need to give default gateway. Preferred DNS should be 10.0.0.1 so that we can make this server as a DNS. What about the client, guys? Client we have IP is 10.0.0.2. Subnet mask is 255.0.0.0 and preferred DNS should be same as server like 10.0.0.1 so that client easily communicate with the server. Now what is DNS? It used to resolve host name to IP and IP to the host name. Basically DNS will work on behalf of two services. Actually port number is 53. First is via TCP and also it will use by the UDP. Okay. So just start how we can configure our DNS server. First of all, click on server manager. So guys, first of all we have to install DNS role. Then after we can use this role. Because by default we don't have DNS option along with server 2012 R2. So first of all we have to install the role. There is a option server manager, then add roles and features. Click this option, simply next. We are going to install this DNS. Simply next, again next. There is a DNS option, click there, add features, next, next, next and install so that we can use this DNS after installation. This is a very simple network because we have taken only one server and we have only one client. So in DNS we have three options actually: primary zone, secondary zone and stub zone. So in DNS we will perform three practicals. First will be the how we can perform primary zone. Second is how we can configure secondary zone, and last is how we can configure stub zone. That is a little bit advanced. Okay, so come back to the point. Close everything, start, run. Use one command DNS mgmt.msc to open DNS console. Here we have some option: forward lookup zone, reverse lookup zone. Forward lookup zone is what? It used to resolve host name to IP. And reverse lookup zone is what? It used to resolve IP to the host name. This is the definition of DNS. So guys, just right click on forward lookup zone and new zone. Then after next. So here we have three options. So first we are going to perform primary zone only. Simply next, give any name. Suppose I want to give kabul.com. This is the name of DNS. Next, it will take automatic .dns file. No need to press anything. Simply next. So now guys, click on second option because we want to take some update from the host. So select second option and simply next, finish. Kabul.com has created. So right click on kabul.com and new host. Here guys, you can give any name like your computer name, otherwise anything. I'm just giving here www. IP address, my IP address on server, that is 10.1, and create associate pointer. Pointer record is what? If you will create anything on this forward lookup zone, automatic that will replicate to the reverse lookup zone. Now simply guys, it's done. So we have created successfully forward lookup zone. Now it's time to configure reverse lookup zone. Right click on reverse lookup zone, new zone, next, again same option like previous, that was the forward lookup zone. Now is primary zone. Next, we have two options. One is IP version 4, another is IP version 6. So now we are going to configure IP version 4. So simply next. Here remember we have to give network address. Next, here also we have to allow dynamic updates. Next, finish. Here is 0.0, so just right click on ARPA and new pointer record, give in a host name, this computer IP, and host name www.kabul.com. previous we have given. Okay, created. This is complete about the primary zone, how we can configure primary zone on server. What about the client configuration? Move to client. I have Windows 7. Start, run cmd. There is a command to resolve host name and IP also. Command is ns lookup www.kabul.com getting IP. Then after ns lookup 10.0.0.1, enter. So previous we have given name, so this is the IP, and now we have given IP, so also we are getting name. So what about the definition of DNS? To resolve host name to IP and IP to host name. This is complete about the forward lookup zone. Thank you. Thanks for this class.